So last resume of the evening, we're going to dive into this person's resume, give them really good feedback, see if we can help them out, help them get a job. So we have a really slim summary. They probably did that because they wanted to keep a single pager, which a lot of folks are told to do. 1 to 2 pages is okay. Don't get too stressed about trying to get it down to 1 page if you don't have experience. Don't worry about that. Let's take a peek at it. Security operations analyst with a background in IT support, software development, experience in phishing investigations, SIM-based alert triage, log analysis, and incident response fundamentals through hands-on labs, real-world technical support environments. All right, so got a couple of things here, right, where we're saying we have experience through hands-on labs, real-world technical support environment. So he's saying he's done both, which is good, right? He's setting the tone. He's not over-promising, which is great. I like when people do that. You're telling me, hey, maybe I haven't got a ton in real life, but I'm working on it. I'm learning. Great. So they're a client service center senior agent. Can't talk. These are things they're doing. Investigated technical security related cases. Cool. So he's kind of getting his feet wet. Monitored, analyzed security alerts related to assessment activity. Looking for patterns, unauthorized access, triage usual reported incidents. So cool. Supported secure client software deployment. So that's IT specific. Develop secure internal email templating tool using Python. Improving case handling efficiency, ensuring consistent compliant communication. That last bullet, what I read is, hey, I might not be experienced, but I'm not afraid to show initiative and develop stuff. I love that. I love that here. I forgot who sent this resume, and there's a Discord channel, but I love seeing that. A lot of folks are too afraid to branch out, try stuff. It's definitely something I encourage my team to do. Hey, you see a problem, solve the problem. Just get out there, get messy, Miss Frizzle style. You're hearing me say that all the time. I love it. I love seeing that. That's a great bullet. That definitely perks up my ears, even though I don't see the super SOC focused stuff. I love seeing that. I love seeing that to me, I read this and I say, oh, this person's really working hard to get that experience so you can get a job. I love seeing this. Let's see what else we have. Skills, you mentioned SOC monitoring, alert triage. You're pointing it out. What SIM you're in, phishing, email, network, endpoint log analysis, incident response fundamentals, threat intelligence fundamentals, malware analysis basics, Python. Okay, yeah, not bad. Let's see. You could probably do those 2 on a line and save up some space there if you are interested. Let's see, Western Governors University, BS in software engineering. Cool. Boy, did you do that fast. You did that in you said September 2022 to November 2023. You did that in under 2 years. That is freaking insane. Just wanted to point that out. That's insane. Okay, cool. Let's look at the certifications. I would recommend you move those certifications up to the top, move that education to the top as well. Just in this case, leave the skills at the bottom. I'm okay with that, but definitely certifications, put them up to the top. They will help you get more notice just simply because your experience is IT related or IT specific job title. Certifications are going to get more attention, especially if I'm skimming. So let's say you have the Security Plus, great. You have Practical SOC Analysis Associate, TCM. You have AWS Cloud Practitioner, and you're working or have completed the TryHackMe Junior Penetration Tester Path. I love this. Really, really good stuff. That is amazing to see. To me, as a hiring manager, I see, hey, they knocked out the basic theoretical stuff. And look at them. They're getting their hands on getting into the SOC. They're learning cloud stuff, and they're learning the offensive stuff. I love it. You've got that full balance going on here in terms of trying to learn and get the knowledge that is going to help you be a balanced analyst and set you up for success. I love seeing those certifications. Move that up to the top. To me, that is more important than the skills, the way you have the skills listed. Bring those up, elevate those. Those are really good. This is really great. To me, you have a really good resume. I think you need to improve your summary a little bit more. I want it to be a little bit more impactful. You have some great stuff here. I want people to see this. I want people to talk to you because it is a great resume. We just need to present it a little bit better and and get the stuff up to the top. Other than that, you're doing all the right things. You're doing the things that I'm coaching folks. So let me know what type of feedback you're getting from your interviews. Happy to help provide some tips there. But do those few things and keep chugging along. If you're not doing any more certifications, keep chipping away at those. The more you add, the more increased chances you're giving yourself here. You have a great set of them right now. Maybe start working the SOC 2 course or more advanced courses. Maybe malware analysis, or TCM has a ton of them. TryHackMe has a ton of them. Keep adding that knowledge here. Keep doing it as you're working that service center role, and you're going to get a job before you know it. You're doing the right things. Keep it up. So in summary on this one, we want to move education certifications up. We want to make the summary a little bit more, not necessarily verbose, but more targeted to what you're doing, and talk more about the skills you're doing. So I would talk about how you're actively chasing after these skills and working on refining the skills you need to be successful, that you're excited and enthusiastic about a career. Because I'm reading that, just looking at all the work you've done already. Like, this is amazing. I love seeing this. And then finally, there's one other thing I told you to do. I don't remember, but those are the big things. So get those done. You should very much start getting some interest, at least in the commercial world, for roles. Any questions, hit me up on Discord. Whoever's resume this is, we can definitely chat some more. So